Good morning dear students, welcome to the virtual class again. We are going to continue our third chapter with the another algebraic method of solving a linear pair of equation, and the second method is elimination method. What do you mean by elimination? In general we can say to remove, it means to elimination. You have heard this word in so many reality shows also. Okay, so this is the elimination round and all that, right? So what do you mean by elimination? So one of the candidate in that reality show should be removed. It is called the elimination in short. So here in maths, in a pair of a linear equation, how do we remove and what do we remove? So as you know, the two variables are there in a linear equation, x and y. So we have to remove any one variable, either x or y, okay, in this process. So how do we remove? We have to make a coefficient of any one variable equal numerically, and then we have to do the subtraction to eliminate any one variable. So theoretically the steps are like this, but I want to show you the practically by doing the sums of exercise 3.4. So let's see the sums so you can get a exact idea how to do a elimination method. And the elimination method is the easiest method out of these three methods of algebraic method of solution of getting solution of linear pair of equation. Okay, substitution, elimination and cross multiplication. So out of these three, elimination is the easiest method to get the solution of a linear pair of equation. So let's start exercise 3.4. Now let's start exercise 3.4. 3.4 sums are almost all are based on the elimination method. In short, to get the solution of a pair of a linear equation in examples which are given in 3.4 exercise, we have to use elimination method because it is mentioned in each and every question that you have to perform elimination method to get the solution. So here the first question is in first question, the first sum is x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 5. We have to get the solution by using elimination method. So as you see here, x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. To eliminate any one variable, either x or y, their coefficient must be numerically equal. That thing you have to remember. Okay, so first of all, as you see here in first equation, the coefficient of x is 1. Coefficient of y is also 1. In second equation, the coefficient of x is 2 and the coefficient of y is minus 3. Do not ignore minus sign or negative sign. Okay, if you want to eliminate x, then what should we do? We have to multiply whole equation with 2 if you want to remove x. Okay, the whole equation you have to multiply with 2. But here, as you see, this is plus and minus. Okay, so here if I multiply with 2, it is also okay. But then what I have to do? I have to do the subtraction between the both equation. Here it is plus and minus. So I have an option to do addition between the both equation. Okay, so I prefer just addition instead of subtraction. So here I would like to multiply this whole equation with minus 3 with 3, not minus 3, with 3. So if I multiply this whole equation with 3, what should I get? Here 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. Okay, now here I have just doing the addition. So this is plus 3 minus 3y cancel out and 5x is equal to 15 plus 4 is 19 and x plus x is equal to 19 by 5. Now that 19 by 5 I can put or substitute in any one of this equation. to get the value y, and here I got y is equal to 6 by 5. By this way you have to find out the solution by elimination method. Eliminate any one variable, then substitute that value of another variable into any one equation to get the value of second variable. Okay, so like this you can do it. Is it clear? Okay, now move to the next one. Now let's discuss the second one. It is easy, so you can able to do yourself. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. If you see the coefficients, they are not same, but we have to make them numerically equal. Okay, so as I told you earlier, if you see it is plus 4y, and on other hand in another equation it is minus 2y. So it is plus minus is there. Okay, so if we multiply the second equation by 2, so what it will be? It will be 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. And if we do addition with the first one, then plus 4y and minus 4y is eliminated. It will be eliminated, and then we will get a variable, the value of variable x after simplification. And after putting the value of x in any one of equation, you will get the variable y. Okay, so like that you can solve the second one. Let's move to the third one. In third, it is given that the equations are 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0, 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. To make the second linear equation exactly in the standard form, to convert into the standard form, we have to take these two terms to the other end. Okay, so first of all, we have to say write this equation as it is. 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is our first equation, and the second now will be 9x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, now as you see here, this is plus 3x 9x. Okay, so if I want to make these two variables coefficient equal numerically, then what should I do? I should multiply this whole equation by 3. I should multiply the whole equation by 3. Okay, now then what will be the equation now? It will be 9x minus 15y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, now after doing this, what will be the next step? As you see, both the coefficient, here it is after multiplying with 3, it will be 9x. So another equation also it is 9x, so both are positive. So we have to do subtraction. Okay, what we do? We have to do a subtraction. So as I multiply equation 1 by 3 and then subtract that equation from 2. So first of all, I have to write the second equation and then subtract the new equation from second one. So 9x minus 2y minus 7 as it is, and then 9x minus 15y minus 12 is equal to 0. As we have to do a subtraction, we have to change the sign minus. Here it is plus, and again here it is plus. Okay, so plus 9 minus 9 cancel out, plus 15 minus 2, so 13y, plus 12 minus 7, so plus 5. Now this 5 goes to other hand, so y is equal to minus 5 by 30. Now this value of y I have to put in any one of this or this equation. I have put in the first one, the original one. Okay, before multiplication, the original one, it is 3x minus 5. Again, minus 5 by 13 minus 4 is equal to 0. So minus minus become plus, 25 by 13 minus 4 is equal to 0. And after simplification, this minus 4 goes to other end, so it is plus, minus this plus 25 by 13 again goes to other end, minus 25 by 13. After taking LCM, I got 3x is equal to 27 by 13. This is 3x and we want value of x only. So this 3 goes to other end, so it will go in a place of a denominator. So it is 27 by 13 multiplied by 1 by 3. So as 9 3s are 27. So final answer we got is 9 by 13, which is a value of x. So by this way you have to solve a pair of a linear equation by using elimination method. Now let's see the last sum of question 1. Here it is given that x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. So in this type of sum, what we usually do, we used to take a LCM, simplify it and get a normal linear equation. Okay, so here again 2 and 3 are the denominator place. So 6 is LCM. So we have to multiply this with 3 and this with 2 and this with 6. Okay, so finally from this what should we get here? 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. And as the 3 LCM in the second linear equation, we have to multiply with 3. This is minus y and 3 3s are 9. So 3x minus y is equal to 9. So you can see that these two are the main linear equations. Okay. Now we have to use this for elimination method. As you see here 3 and 3, both coefficients are same of x variable. So both are positive. So which process we have to do? A subtraction method. Okay. So we do not here multiply any equation with any number. As why? Because as the numbers, the coefficients are numerically same. So no need to multiply with anything else. Okay. So here just we have to do the subtraction. So I subtract this first equation from second. Okay, from second means I have to first write the second equation and then subtract it subtract the first equation from the second. So now 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. As we are going to do or apply a subtraction, we have to change the sign. So this is minus, minus, this is minus, so we have to put here plus. So plus minus 3x cancel out. Minus y plus 4. Now the sign is changed. So now it is minus 4y minus y. So it is minus 5y. And it is plus 6 plus 9. So it is 15. So y is equal to minus 3. Now I have to put this value to get the variable x. Its value. So I put in equation 1. So finally I got x is equal to 2. Isn't it easy? This method is the simplest method to get the solution of a pair of a linear equation. Is it clear? In exam, if it is not mentioned that I either use a substitution method or cross multiplication method, you can use elimination method to get the solution. So by this way you can get a exact answer, as well as the time consumptions is less compared to the substitution and a cross multiplication method. But if it is given that you have to solve by substitution method, and if you by mistake apply elimination method, the examiner will not give you a marks, because in question it is mentioned that the substitution method you have to apply. Okay, so each and every question of any exam or any subject you have to read at least twice to get the idea which procedure you have to do to get the answer. Now the next question of exercise 3.4 are the problem sums, and that we will see in our next lecture. Till then, goodbye.